In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Alibaba Cloud account 2026 step by step. To get started, open your web browser and go to Alibaba. Make sure you're on the official Alibaba website before continuing, because that helps you avoid any confusion and ensures you're signing up in the right place. Once the homepage loads, look around the top area of the page for the option to create an account or sign up. When you see it, click on Create an Account or Sign Up. This will take you to the registration page, where Alibaba gives you a couple of different ways to begin setting up your account. If you want a faster option, you can continue with Google. If you prefer, you can also manually enter your email address instead. Both options will lead you into the same general setup process, so choose the one that feels most convenient for you. After selecting your preferred sign-up method, click Continue. If you entered your email address manually, this usually moves you to the next part of the registration flow. If you chose Google, a selection window may appear so you can pick which Google account you want to use. At that point, choose the account you want to continue with, and then click Continue again. Be sure you select the correct account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses for business and personal use. Using the right one from the start can make future login and account recovery much easier. Next, you'll be asked to set up your account details. Here, you'll need to add your email address, select your region, and enter your first name and last name. Take a moment to review everything carefully before moving on. It's a good idea to use accurate information here, since it can help keep your account organized and make verification smoother later if needed. Once all the fields are filled in, look for the button that says Create an Account and click it. That completes the basic account creation process. If the platform asks you to verify your email after this, just follow the prompt on your screen and check your inbox for a confirmation message. Also, if a page takes a moment to load, that's normal. So give it a few seconds before clicking again. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of opening your Alibaba account step by step. If you found this helpful, feel free to keep this walkthrough nearby the first time you do it so you can follow along smoothly from start to finish.